Let's see. Chris Weidman and Demetrius Johnson are some of the faves as they are loud about their faith. Okay, cool. Sorry to run, but got to head to work. Hey, make that money. Bring home that bacon. Have a blessed day. I will have a blessed day. You too have a blessed day. So, I'm still getting used to this face cam. What screen I should be looking at here? I think it looks better if I'm looking at this camera with this hand. Point this hand that way. There you go. And because it looks awkward when I'm pointed away from my drawing. Disconcerting to the viewers. Here we go. So Snowman, tell me about your name. So I found when I think you're Snowman Crazy, is that correct? When I look at your name in the chat, it says Snowman CR, but then when I found you this morning, I think it was the right person. You're called Snowman Crazy. Are you crazy about snowman? Are you crazy about wanting to build a snowman? It was a nickname I picked up a long time ago. Okay. You don't have to divulge any more than that. To 20 plus, let's see, I was, my gamer tag since I was middle school, pretty much. Don't really feel the cold. I don't really feel the cold. Okay, wow, you don't feel the cold? You can just go outside with shorts on? You're one of those people? Shorts in the winter people? I guess that's a superpower. I guess Iceman was already taken. The name Iceman was already taken. Look, up in the sky. Look, falling on the ground. That's a superpower, falling on the ground. Look, falling on the ground. It's Snowman. Look, being thrown from a child. I'm older and have a brain on my shoulders, not frostbite. I knew an Iceman. You flying Top Gun? Okay. Yep. Forgot that Iceman as well. Should do voiceovers for movies. So what is it about the old 1920s? When you watch the 1930s Superman or listen to radio programs, why do they think that vibrato is such a good idea? I'm going to shake my voice. I shake everything that I say. That is not what we do nowadays. What I don't know why they thought that was such a great idea back then. All right, now we just make it black. I see a blue line and I want to make it black. No colors anymore, I want them to turn black. Alright. Not too shabby. So, there's something that happens when you zoom in so far to an image. You lose all perspective, you lose all point of... You have no idea, is it okay? Am I doing the right thing? Is this the thing I should be doing? And then you finally zoom out, and you're like, yes, I knew it all along. I knew I should. This is the way I should have gone. Should do voiceover for movies. Adds motion since effects wasn't much of a thing. Like the echo or stretching sound band. Okay. My 2 cents. Always funny though. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you're right. Yeah, there were a lot of things that they did back in the 30s. Did you know that there was an American accent? The FDR was trying to create an American accent, like the British had an accent, so he was trying to create a Midwestern accent. So if you watch the 30s, movies from the 30s back then, people were talking, they were trying to get this American accent started. No, not Midwestern. I mean, what do they call it? Mid-Atlantic accent. That's what it was. The Mid-Atlantic accent. And it never caught on. I mean, we have the Southern accent. We have different regions around the country. I don't understand why he felt the need to create a new accent.